Washer error codes are always typically related to somehow with water, whether it's a drain valve that has maybe someone washed some paper clips and they got stuck in the drain, or something got past I don't know how it does it, but it may get past the cylinder down into the drain and hold that drain for it won't open or close. That's a very common problem. Maybe it's a buildup of lint over time. The other one is water valves. Water's corrosive. No matter, even if you've got treated water and you've got soft water and you filter it, there's still calcium in it. There's things in that water, and it's very corrosive. And it will, over time, it's flowing, it will eat rubber, it'll leave plastic, it erodes mountains, right? I mean, water's corrosive. And so those are the most common problems we see are water valves, drain valves, and then the next one is door locks. Either in a laundromat, you got new people coming in, they don't quite understand, they're pulling and pushing on door locks, or even on-premise laundry in a hotel setting or something, someone's slamming doors with the lock in the wrong position and damaging it. So those are the most common things we see in washers for error codes. So it's usually water valves, drain valves, door locks is by far the most common. There can be, if you're usually getting one of those, you really need to go to, if you got a water valve that's, let's say you open the machine and you hear water running. Well, there's a water valve that is leaking by. So you're going to need to pop the top off. You're going to need to go where the water valves are. Most likely you can put a repair kit in them. So open the valve, put a repair kit in it, close the valve up, and that problem will go away. If it's filling and it never satisfies the water level, well, there's probably the drain valves leaking by. So you can maybe take the bottom panel off and access the bottom of the machine, and then get into the drain valve itself with it. Usually they're just clamped on with a clamp, and just take a screwdriver, unscrew it, take the clamp off, get into the drain valve and look and see if there's something in that drain that's causing it to stay open. Or maybe the drain valve itself is literally the spring or something is broken in it and needs to be replaced. But just resetting it, the root cause is not being taken care of. Could you reset it and then maybe it goes right back into it? So I would definitely do a little more investigation. If you need to consult manuals, we can help you get manuals, but I would say it's going off for a reason.